10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Ignition.
3, 2, 1.
Beginning patch over.
And we're off the pad. We are T plus 35 seconds into flight for the 11th Electron mission. In approximately 30 seconds, the rocket will reach the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure on its way to space. So let's listen in for the call from Mission Control.
High voltage battery discharge nominal. Electron is supersonic. Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
An Electron has cleared max Q. Next up is a series of mission milestones which occur in quick succession. Coming up first is main engine cutoff, or MECO, followed shortly by the booster's separation from the rest of the vehicle. When this happens, we'll cut to a view of the booster's ascent to Earth as Stage 2 continues onwards. First, let's check back in for MECO and stage separation.
Speed is 1 kilometer per second. Altitude is 26 kilometers.
AOS at Chatham Station.
Stage 1 propulsion remains nominal.
Electrons, Rutherford engines are continuing nominally on the way to orbit. Our speed is currently 4,800 kilometers per hour, and our altitude is 45 kilometers as we approach main engine cutoff.
"20 seconds remaining.
Stage 1 MECO.
Cut out, and we
Separating fairing.
has separated, clearing the way for payload deployment. Seconds into flight, an Electron
EFDS has saved.
Hot swapping.
That's hot successful.
And that confirms Electron's second stage engine has shut down as planned. The kick stage and the second stage will now separate for the final push to payload deployment.
We're in a good kick stage orbit.
And there you have it. Kick stage separation has been confirmed. Approximately an hour from now, the kick stage will deploy the payload to orbit, marking the completion of today's mission. Stay tuned to our social media channels for confirmation of payload deployment.